Hindi namin makita!
Oh, you have to let the audience see.
Matalikot eh!
Yeah, right. Okay. Maybe one pair here, and another pair there, and another pair over there.
Yan!
Okay. Use your hands to make them into a pod. The egg class should stay in one piece. The first person to do that will be the winner. Don't break them, huh? Don't break them. Oh, you have to use your hands to crush egg class. But you don't break them. If you break the egg class, you're disqualified. The first one
who can make the eggplant bow down will be the winner.
Exactly. Okay. So the judges, please. Okay.
Judges, please have an eye.
Can we start now at the count of 3? Is everyone ready now?
Big Ted, Serdindo, and Tan Chun Hun, please help us with the judging, please.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Can we have some music, please? Mr. DJ.
Mabali yan!
Yeah, better.
Mabali yan!
Alright. Yeah, that's it. Oh, no, don't just use your fingers. Use the whole hand, Oh, yeah. There's no way to treat that. Use your egg. Use the whole hand. Okay, do we have any winner yet? Make it bow down. It's going down now. Do we have a winner now?
Hindi ko binitawan, gano'n?
I think we have a winner. Okay, this one really is staying in good shape. Very, very safe. It's been So guys, you know